In the sun, where the dreams are grown, Carol and Larry, they found their own. With a call to summer, a vision in bloom, peace and comfort in their backyard room. The landscape changing, hearts in tune. Sam, a landscape, bringing dreams alive. Every leaf, every flower, we thrive like a bee flies. A community joined, going strong and free. Thank you, Carol and Larry, for believing in me. A poolside paradise, a place to unwind, with flowers and greens, nature entwined. Summer's magic, a sight to behold, bringing joys untold. With thanks for the beauty, it's yours to keep. Summer landscape, bringing dreams alive. Every leaf, every flower, light believe we thrive. A community joined, going strong and free. Thank you, Carol and Larry, for believing in me. Dreams take root, and together we stand. With summer landscape, we'll beautify this way.